Hello guys, welcome to Warp Gaming, and today we're gonna install Windows 1.01 in 86 lads. Create a new machine, new configuration, click next. System name, I'm gonna call it Windows 1.01. It's gonna be speedy because my videos have been progressively longer. Machine. Generic XD clone, frequency 8, memory 640 kilobytes. Display EGA because you can use CGA. Storage controllers. Floppy disk controller is gonna be XT floppy drive controller. Hard disk controller is gonna be XT IDE. Hard disk, create a new hard disk. Win 101. Cylinders, head sectors 306, 417, 10 megabytes. Bus IDE channel 00. The disk image has been successfully created. Thanks 86 box. Floppy to 5.25 inch 360K floppy disk. And start. System error number 04. Continue. It works anyway. Continue. F disk. One. One. Yes. Press any key when ready. I choose enter because I'm boring as hell. Put in an A again. Format C/S. S stands for system. If you're dumb enough to not know the system starts with S. Warning, warning. Yes, I know. Now time to wait a while. I'm gonna pause the recording. Wait, how do I pause the recording? In the small control panel. Format complete. System transferred. I'm gonna near C command. Yippee! Fuck you. You can finally boot into C. And it is faster than booting into A. Because a hard disk is faster than a floppy disk. Which comes to no surprise. Anyways, get your asses ready for the Windows 1.0 setup process. Oh wait, A, setup, setup prepares Microsoft Windows to run on your computer. It also helps you with setup your disks in the most efficient way for starting Microsoft Windows, running Windows applications, printing from Windows. C H C Windows C 2 6. And now pause the recording. Wait, how do I pause the recording? Here is Warp Gaming's cool ass tutorial on how to switch a disc in 86 box. Oh wait, switch discs. Choose the disc you want to use. And you're good to go. Alright, you're impressed now? Are you? Oh boy, time to pause the recording. Print time, press N. Wow, awesome, you have installed Windows 1.0. And holy shit, it is really compact. 99 files. You heard me correctly. 99. Anyways, press win. Because you win. Having the right to watch me test Windows. Ain't I so cool? Wait. Oh, hell nah. I chose no pointing device. Hell. Hell no. Oh! Oh, I am so back. There's a mouse. Now time to test. There's a calculator with the usual test 6 plus 1. And you're gonna copy, close. Oh wait, you can double click to close Windows. The DR5 video. Oh, you know when I said that I thought that double clicking the button will close the window? Well, I was talking about Windows 1.0. There's a calendar. And no, it is not Tuesday, January 1st, 1980. Card file? Welcome to fancy notepad clipboard. Oh, here's the 7 that I copied earlier from calculator. a clock that does not really tell the time. It tells more if I'm or not. Wait, should I say this on YouTube? Should I say this? I'm not sure. It's 19. It's the 19th. It's the month. Oh boy. That is stupid. There, I set up the date for date and time. Yippee! Notepad. Or as I like to call it, Notrpad. Notrpad. Which is also a play on the word notre, which is our in French. So it's our notepad. Communism. Communism. Paint. Yippee! Oh boy, time to make the thumbnail. Look at this masterpiece. I'm gonna take a raw screenshot and I'm gonna save the thing. Um, Zindos. Anyways, sayonara, motherfucker.